Hey there. So, imagine you're trying to subclass a generic class using a constraint type variable, and you run into a little problem. The issue arises when you want to avoid specifying the type constraints again in the subclass if you're using Python 3.12 syntax. It can be a bit frustrating, right? You're not alone in facing this problem, but fear not, a solution is on the horizon. In comes the solution to your dilemma. The catch is with Python 3.12 syntax, you can't reuse type variables defined with PEP 695 syntax. The type variable must have the correct bound to parameterize the superclass, meaning you can't magically push down constraints from the superclass. That's where the trusty typing.typeVar comes to the rescue, allowing you to spell out how to reuse type variables with specific constraints, bounds, and defaults. It's a bit of a workaround, but it gets a job done. Now, for a quick summary of what we've covered. Reusing type variables with constraints in Python 3.12 syntax can be a bit tricky, but with the typing.typeVar workaround, you can subclass generic classes without having to duplicate constraints. It's a small hiccup, but knowing the workaround makes all the difference. And with that, folks, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!